How to register a company. How to register a company in Nigeria. How to register a company with CAC. CAC means Corporate Affairs Commission. CAC means Corporate Affairs Commission. How to register a company in Nigeria. You know, to register a company in Nigeria, there are a lot of steps you have to follow to register the company, both private or public. There are also step by step. If you look at this place, for you to register a company in Nigeria, you have to go to this website called, just go to this address, new.cac.gov.ng/home/registration-steps. Please, if you want to register a company, just come here first of all. Go to new.cac.gov.ng/home/registration-steps. When you come here, you see all the steps, what is required in company registration. For you to register it in a company, just come here. First of all, ask which type of company you want to register. Is it private or public? Is it limited by guarantee? Are you converting it origin of a private company or as public? You know, whatever you want to do, just come to the website which I have mentioned to you. You know, which is new.cac.gov.ng/home/registration-steps. So once you have come there, if you are going to register a public company or a private company, just click on this step to register a public or private company. If you click on the first step here, once you have launched this website, this website belongs to Corporate Affairs Commission Nigeria. So you see all the steps that whatever what you want to do, you see it here. It's online. So if you want to register as a private company or public company, just click on this link here. It will take you to this particular page here. You know, it will take you to, it's supposed to take you to the page. Let me check again. Let's close it. It's supposed to take you to so just give a click here. You see the steps. Just click on it. You see the steps that are what you are required to do. You want to check availability of a proposed company name, you click here. If you want to check, maybe a company want to register, you want to check whether the name is available or not, you just click on this link here. Before you can register a company, first of all, you have to check if the name is available or not. If you want to check whether the name is available for you to register, you click on this click here to know. So if you want also to reserve, for them to reserve a new name for you, you click here. After you have checked that, okay, you have searched the name, you want to register, I want that name to be reserved. So you click on this link here, and we are there. So let me see. Let me click that one now. If you want to search, you want to check availability of a name, just click on this particular link which I've just clicked, that's coming up now. So here you search the company you want to register. Let's say you want to register what name do I call now? Okay, let's say classic vintage, for example. So you have to select this, select to show that you're not a robot. Click on it. You know, still try to come up, show that you're not a robot. You have to first of all select C now, so you can search. You can click on search to search for the name of the company to see. So click on it again now. Just select what you want to search and click on it again to just search. So which means you didn't see the name. Classic vintage, you didn't see the name. That's why it's showing me nothing. So if you are seeing anything like that now, it will show something in that regard. Let's see that you see search and see what's going to bring us. So any company you want to register, all you have to do is for you to just come here, click to search for the name. So you can see that I can register this name now, Classic Vintage, because it's not available. Yes or no, it's not available here. So you can search for any name, whether to know whether the name is existing or not existing before you proceed to register it. So if it's not existing and you want to adopt that name, all you have to do is just to click this other one now for the name to be reserved for you. You click the next one, you know, you click the next place for the name to be reserved for you, which is coming up. So here you have to first of all sign up. You have to first of all sign up. After you are signed up, before that name can be reserved, so you have to first of all click sign up to sign up with your name, your name, your gender, your nationality, you know, and put your email address, your password, your contact address, and everything. Once you are signed up, so you can go proceed for them to reserve the name for you. So that is how the one for name reservation is done. So for you to also get other this thing now, like for example now you want to complete your registration online using company registration portal. So you can also register your company. So the first one here now is for you now to do a search for your name. The one now for you to reserve your name. So if you want to proceed to registration, register the company online, you click on this link here to enable you register the company online. I hope you are following. So if you have any comments, don't forget to use the comment box below. So if you want to comment now, you know you have already signed up some before, so you can just put your username, your password, and continue to the registration process of your company. So another one again, if you want to another step now, step by step on how to register a limited by guarantee company. So this is where you also have to come. So when you come, you see the procedures that are also available. You just click name availability, you click to reserve the name, and also if you want to also proceed, you click on here to proceed on your registration process. So the same thing now applies for every other registration process you want to do online. Next one, if you want to also register, you have to convert an existing company or registration of a private company as public. So you can also click here. If you want to register a company which was before previously private and want to make it public, so you have to come here and follow the instruction that is provided here on this CAC website. I hope you are following. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you might get more updates about CAC registration and other updates. So if you want to also register a company as shares as unlimited company, you also have to click here. When you click here, also see the guide on how that can be done. Also want to do register as an unlimited company as limited by shares. This is where you also come. You see all the instruction that's required of you. So whatever you want to change your name, you also want to change your name. You here so also you come. You also see the procedure for changing of name for your company. You also want to increase the share capital of your company, either private or public. So you also come here for guide on how that could be done. So you want to also get the CTC of certificates. This is where you also get how to apply for your certificates and all that. So also want to obtain certified true copies CTC of a file document. So here also they give you a guide on how to go about that. So if you have any questions on how to register a company through CAC Nigeria, don't forget to use the comment box below to ask your questions, and do not forget to make your comments, and also to subscribe to this channel, to my channel, for future updates on every other thing I want to achieve. You will see that on our channel. Please subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching, and God bless you.